Hey, what's up YouTube? I'm Jason, and today we're back in Japan. If you watch my other videos around Mount Fuji, this building's right in the middle of it. This is Fuji Motorsports Forest. It's a project made by Toyota Motor Corporation to promote motorsports culture at the foot of Mount Fuji. This area is where visitors can enjoy special garage tours of professional racing teams, which is not something common or easily accessible in the racing world. The opportunity to see drivers, engineers, and mechanics up close is an unforgettable experience for all car enthusiasts. Unfortunately, photos and videos is not allowed within the racing garage. The area that I'm filming in is totally fine for social media, so just walk around and enjoy. On the second floor, there's a cafe and eating area where you can also enjoy their driving simulators. Second floor is where you're able to cross the bridge and experience the racing garages. You can also access the top of the building where you can see Mount Fuji and the racetrack. This would be a great place to watch racing. Is this a water-powered 86 AE86H2 concept? Yeah, it's gotta be the hydrogen car. Can't really read that, but it says here, everyone is a chief engineer working towards carbon neutrality. Ooh, so cool. Let's take a closer look. So this has got to be the hydrogen fuel cell. Looks like they custom this window right here. Also looks like the door is open. I don't want to touch it, but I can give you a peek inside. It has a Nardi steering wheel, Tierney horn, and bride seats that say carbon neutral on it. Bride Zetas, buckets. On the outside, Watanabe wheels. The brakes look pretty good, front and rear. Okay, so that was the hydrogen car, and this is the BEV. So it has a Toyota Prius battery. No, Tundra HEV motor and a Prius PHEV battery. It's 11. So Treno with those headlights, and then 11 with the brick style headlights. And this is a pretty cool build. Interesting to see. 1980s car with modern day technology from the EVs. Let's just squeeze on by over here. Let's take a peek in the back. Lexus electrified. So this is probably the battery. Wow. Roll cage is welded specifically to fit that battery. That's so cool. It's an 11 EV. So cool. And then the hydrogen. So in the comments, please post which car would you rather have, EV or hydrogen? For me, I'd choose the EV. I like the look of the Treno a lot, but the 11 headlights are really nice as well. So again, got bride seats, Cusco seat belts, carbon neutral seats, Nardi steering wheel, pretty much the same setup. And then the dashboard is the same analog dashboard. I'm surprised they didn't do that with a EV dashboard. In the inside, it looks like, I can't really see because of my shadows, but the inside of this interior, it's sprayed gray. It's really cool. Very nice. So yeah, comment below, which one do you like better, Levin or Treno? Let's walk to the front. Looks like a Subaru STI, a hatchback. This looks like a rally style. Got some armor over here. Roll cage inside. Recaro buckets. Oh yeah. Interesting. This thing has seen some stuff. What do we have here? GT86. Possibly a race car that got in a big accident over here. Yep. Whoa. Took some big damage over here. Actually, yeah, it's okay. But probably hit the sidewall. Both sides, wow. At least the window's still intact. And it looks like the roll cage did its job and kept the driver safe. That's good. Oh my God, there it is. That's actually the racing clip right here. Wow. Let's see that one more time. Okay, here we are. Oh my gosh, he rolled over. Wow. I believe that's here at Fuji as well. Driver looks like he's active, talking, responsive. Dang, glad they're okay. Interesting to see that on video and then see the car after damage. This is a rally car. This is the same one that you could see in the Hotel Museum. GT4 ST185. So cool. And down there we have an 8.6 and also I think it's a IS300 or Altezza. But this museum area is pretty much free. You can walk in here. They have an information guide center right over there. And I'm pretty sure they switch out the cars here often. So if you're just looking for some free stuff to do, check this place out.
For anyone who stuck around this far, thank you for watching. I really appreciate you. Make sure to subscribe and be on the lookout for the next Japan video.